Hi, I'm Lauren and welcome into the studio. Today I'm using this really great Rust-Oleum metallic champagne color. It's absolutely beautiful. So let's get painting. So these are the colors. So there's the champagne, and then I also have, this is Phthalo blue with white and black added to it. Golden's turquoise, Blick's copper, Golden's permanent maroon, and this color over here is Terre, Verte, hue. I'll put the name of it down in the description below. I'm doing an asymmetrical painting, Dutch pour. This is a 24 inch by 24 inch canvas, or 60 centimeters by 60 centimeters. I want more down here. I don't like, it's a bit too stripy down here. I like this, the mottled kind of feel. So I'm going to blow this around. Hopefully I don't regret it. Much better, much better, much better. There's more cells in here now. I was hoping to get some purpley tones from mixing the maroon and the teal together, and I have gotten that, and so I like that. Okay. I'm thinking about putting just a little bit here. I've decided not to do the paint in the corner. Instead, I'm going to fill in all the
the holes, I guess you'd say, where the champagne paint is coming through, where all the colour is. And then I'm going to add in some extra embellishments. I like to follow along sometimes what paint is already there, so it looks natural when I do these kind of embellishments. Tiniest amount. So now I'm trying to make just a little one here. Just a little bit here. I don't want it to be like tentacles. Too much copper. Just a little bit is all I need. So this is really quite pleasing. I'm really trying to explore new colors and new bases, and so that comes with a lot of experimenting and trying and failing and trying. But I love that little bit of lacing just there. Sorry, the reflections there. There's a whole bunch of lacing in this corner. And then I put these little kind of embellishments, but to make it look like it was growing. I quite like the painting sitting this way, but I also think it works nicely that way. Let's take a look at it up on the wall and some dried shots and things like that. I'd like to know your thoughts about whether you thought the asymmetrical thing worked, how you like that champagne background, the color choices. Comment on anything. Let me know if you like which position you like the painting hanging in. Thank you so much for tuning in. Remember, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and thank you to those that have. And I will see you next time. Don't hesitate to create. See ya.